What's going on, guys? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules. If you're new to the channel, I'm telling you right now, subscribe to the channel because there's going to be more dope mods on the way for the GT350 and my car, the SI. There's going to be a ton of mods currently on the way. And so if you're new, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you guys like this video, definitely smash the like button. But today we are going to be working on the Mugen GPs. So the Mugen GPs have been restored. They're looking really nice and dope. So today we're going to be using a ceramic coating on the wheels for the Mugen GP. So it's been like a couple or 2 to 3 weeks, almost a month. I let these wheels sit and leave the paint cure, etc., before I decide to start coating them. So what we're going to need today is, of course, if you guys don't know, Adams Polish actually came out with their own ceramic wheel coating recently. So after doing my last review with Adams Polish products, I decided to definitely pick this up as soon as they dropped it, because I definitely wanted to ceramic coat these wheels after I just got these wheels restored. So definitely need to do that. So got the ceramic wheel coating right there. Got some microfiber towels to wipe away the residue, and then I got an applicator pad that you could get like at your local store to put the wheel coating on there and then wipe away the coating. So the steps we're going to take is clean off the wheel first. After we clean off the wheel, and these wheels have just been sitting, so they have not been on the car since they have been restored and fixed. Clean off the wheel, and then we are going to then apply the ceramic coating. After we apply the ceramic coating evenly on each side in the inner barrel, then we're gonna leave it start turning into like a rainbow effect, and leave it, when it gets to the rainbow effect, we're gonna leave on there for 2 to 3 minutes. After we leave it on there for 2 to 3 minutes, then we are going to wipe off the wheel coating residue off of the wheel. You do not want to leave the coating on there. You want to wipe it off with a clean microfiber. So that's what we're going to do, clean it off with a clean microfiber. And then what we're going to do is leave the wheel sit for about 24 hours. So after coating, we're going to leave these wheels fit. You can apply these back on the car, but I would say leave the car sit for at least 24 hours so the wheel coating can take an effect. And then you can also hit it with the ceramic boost that I showed you guys in the last video for Allen Polish after 24 hours, or you could just wipe it down, make sure everything is good to go, apply water, and see the wheel coating in effect. So that is all you have to do. I brought out only one wheel because an important notice is this, guys. Something that is very important is you do not want to, after you coat the wheel, put it in moisture. So for example, let's say I had the wheels inside sitting for the last 30 days, right? Let's say I bring it outside in a dry, humid area like outside today. As soon as I bring the wheels out, like I did earlier, it's going to fog up and create moisture, which is water. So what I'm gonna do is coat this one wheel and leave it in the garage. Then the rest of them, I'll probably keep them inside so it can keep that same temperature when I coat them. So that is really important and it's key, guys. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be basically getting the microfiber towel and making sure the surface is completely clean from debris, anything. So it actually started raining now, so I brought it underneath here to start coating it, and then I'm gonna take it in the garage to leave it sit. So, and no, I'm not gonna let water get on it. I'm gonna take it through the house, put it in the garage, blah blah blah. So that's the plan that I'm gonna do. Just leave it sit in the garage. But I'm just gonna make sure that inside each of the spokes that it is clean from debris and there is nothing on here. And then I'm gonna get my light to make sure there's none of that gunk is on the side of the wheel too. So after we clean the wheel, we're gonna get our applicator pad. Then we're gonna get the ceramic coating and put it on here, the applicator pad. And then what you will do is, right, since I have this big round applicator pad, I'm gonna put it like down in the middle. I'm not gonna put it all around the pad, just a streak up and down. So, and it's important after each time you use it to put the cap back on. So I'm gonna put right down the middle, because after a while this does harden. So just like that, put the cap back on and start putting on the ceramic coating and start going up and down and apply the coating. So I'm gonna go up and down and start applying the coating. And the coating looks, it looks very wet. It's my first time using this coating. It looks very wet. So from looking at it already, I can definitely say it is very wet, because it has a very wet look to it. So I'm gonna do the insides and go to the outer barrel. Alright guys, so it's been 3 minutes now, so now I'm gonna get a clean microfiber towel, and I'm gonna use this blue microfiber towel, and what I'm gonna do is start wiping off the residue we put on here. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. What's going on, guys? So it is the next day. I let the wheels sit overnight, so all 4 wheels are done. I let them sit overnight. So now is gonna be the test for the next day. It has been about 24 hours I let them sit. So I'm going to spray some water on here so you guys can see. Go, I'm just gonna spray a little bit on there. Oh yeah, it's beat. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I didn't even show you guys. Worst camera angle ever, but it's just beating off, guys. Y'all see that? It's magical. Yo, it's speeding off. You guys see at the bottom? Look at that. Yo, it's beating off, guys. That's crazy. It's beating right off. Pretty dope. As you guys can see, the ounce polish ceramic wheel coating definitely works. Dang, I need to get this done on my whole car now. Man, look at Adams Polish, man. They got me spending more money. So Adams Polish, definitely hit me up. If you guys want to work something out with your products, hit your boy up, because dang, you guys come up with some awesome products. I want to talk to you guys about something. So lately, I know I've been doing a lot of install videos. I've been missing the vlog lifestyle. I need to get back into doing vlogs. I've been doing a lot of install. There's a lot of stuff that I wanted to do. The weather's finally permission. There's a lot of stuff that I wanted to install for this car, and then we got the other car that was planning to already install some more stuff. So I'm highly excited about that. But definitely I'm gonna start probably doing an install, and if I have some video that I've also vlogged throughout the day, I'm gonna add them together or probably double upload. So I'm gonna start doing that now to be more interactive. Lately I don't feel like I've been very interactive in the vlog, like vlogging my day, etc, etc. I definitely miss doing that. I've been really, I don't know, focus on getting this car done, the stuff that I had planned for this car for this year. Like really almost done for all the goals that I had checked off for accomplishing this year for this car. So I'm really excited about that. And then I also have some more exciting news about my career too, which I've been waiting for, that it finally, everything had went through. So I'm excited about that. So everything is coming along, coming right to it being the summertime. So the middle of the year, a lot of accomplishments have come on the way with this car, my career, etc, etc. The weather has been sucking, but it is what it is. That's it for the video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.